OK， 我这边个咯，我比这个是对咯，三个你的家是你家的啥的，是。นู่นนอนยับตรงนั้นนอเนี่ยเยอะๆจะเราเจ็ดสิยันเด็กเราไปอันสายก็ชัวนี่จะรู้เราไปกลุ่มหอ Wisconsin Hmong Association ที่ Miss Grants Hmong Project Community ให้เตียนเนี่ยอยู่ว่าเนี่ยตอนเย็นที่ยังกระเชียร์เลยจอดใจเจ็ดสิเลยชิตาลินดาซื้อเนี่ยอยู่ตัวมันกินยังเย็นเราไปจอดใส่จะลีละลูกไปสื่อที่เราจะเก็บเส้นเชยผู้ชมตอนนี้จบแล้ว
All right. Once again, this is our Hmong national costume round for the pageant. A little description of what this round is. If our Hmong people were to compete in a non-Hmong pageant competition, and the girls had to create a national costume for Hmong, what would our Hmong national costume look like? So that is what this round is all about. It showcases the girls' creativity and their knowledge. 以上子呢係你Hmong啊，人我哋要人話落係條Hmong national costume，人才講咗呢嘅人我呢嘅。ลูกคำนี้ต้องให้ก่อนเราจีอีกกี่จงชอว่าอย่าเดียอย่าไปชัวอย่าเดียไปมูชีตื่นทอนหรือหายเน่งไอ้ไปอยู่ว่าจีกี่จงชอจงมองลิจานะอย่างกี่จงชอนะเกี่ยกูอยู่รอแค่จ่อยเดียแล้วรู้ล่าลีจุยเขาจงจาแล้วจะเก็บเป็นสื่อเทียแล้วขอ creativity เขายงมือจงลิจา
giờ này cho nên là xin đi một tôi sắp bỏ với dân sai rồi có thể tớ mua tên nó cho ý rằng gì sợ
Alright, ntxhai อยู่รอตอนได้นอนมวนลูกไปหวยเดีย Shanon เสียงเฮอทอนนี้เฉลยฮอใจต่อ Shanon เสียงเฮอnhớ trong phiêu cha chỉ biết trong mong cú lúc này hồ xé nên thành có mong sinh hơn riêng đâu giờ riêng ngô cú hai cô kêu viên giàu bé này chỉ tao ấy trong tròn tại để biết lúc nào lịch trí đi và she self designed ôn đây nó thảo ô chào hai hải cưới trong cái lâu nên ôn mấy chân này nên she hải quan nhung để một cái nhà dành cho biết thành thành con chỗ chỗ nó cú dễ trong tròn nó một lúc này hồ the sound of Hmong. The question asks, if we were to compete in an international pageant, what would our costume look like? I chose to use our ring to represent Hmong. The 6 bamboo reeds held together we know as chanting is more than an instrument in the Hmong culture. The music it plays is like an extension to our language, meaning every note symbolizes its own word. The thing is used for quite a few events, such as New Year celebrations and funerals. The songs played by the Ziping during funerals help lead the journey of our spirits back to our ancestors and eventually to rebirth. As the year comes to an end, our king is used and blown along with our foot dance as entertainment, welcoming the start of the new year. On my back, I have the elephant foot, which is a symbol for prosperity and strength. wear two things on my head and my back to represent our backbone, and as the highest point to represent the importance of our king. I chose chanting because throughout the generations and years, languages will have its changes and alters, but music and sounds remains the same. But not only that, oh my gosh. But not only that, I hope you are all able to feel just as proud as I do to be Hmong. As the year comes to an end, it's time to reflect on our past and look forward to our future. Let's welcome the new year together. ntxhai,
Shannon's goals are to focus our youth as her platform is mental health and preserving our Hmong culture. Shannon wants to work with our youth to break that generational trauma and find common interests to educate and preserve our culture. Shannon believes that mental health is just as important as our physical health. Shannon wants to use this platform to help educate people on getting proper help on their mental health, and she believes that children are our future and we should start teaching and leading by example. Nuna Shannon tua shi từng thành con chua, nu cho sponsors của tôi thấm ca nữ. Yo, Miss Hmong Grand International First Princess Taylor Moore. Patuti Ong, Jennifer Moore Photography. Patuti Bay, K&B Hmong Kitchen. 我trong năm đó chỗ này我呢trình đầu thơ Shannon đến từ lúc học kia tôi chỉ tưởng dành ngôn cho trong nọ nhá. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, Shannon Hawj, Milwaukee, Wisconsin. Please give a round of applause.